Hello, welcome back to India Edu tutorials. With our series on the probability, we have discussed different type of probabilities with you. Now we are dealing with Bayes theorem from our previous two classes. We have already taught you its concept in some examples. Today moving further, let's discuss some more complex examples. The question says, urn A contains 2 white, 1 black and 3 red balls. Urn B contains 3 white, 2 black and 4 red balls, and urn C contains 4 white, 3 black and 2 red balls. One urn is chosen and 2 balls are randomly drawn from the urn. If chosen balls happen to be red and black, then find the probability that both the balls come from urn B. As we know, in our Bayes theorem questions, we need to find out the events. So here our event E1, E2, E3 would be urns. So our event E1, E2 and E3 would be urns, and our event A, which occurs from these events, would be balls red and black. Sorry, it would be red and black. We need to find out the probability of that if chosen balls happen to be red and black. If we already know that balls are red and black, then what is the probability that it is drawn from urn B? So what we need to find out is, we need to find out probability of E2 by A. Now, putting the values in a formula which is equal to probability of E2 into probability of probability of A by E2 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 plus probability of E3 into probability of A by E3. Here E1, E2 and E3 would be equal, which is equal to 1 by 3, because chances of picking any of the urn is equal and there are total 3 urns. So probability of each of them would be equal to 1 by 3. Now here the complexity lies in picking up balls from these urns. Probability of A by E1, that is A by E1, would be equal to, now what we are doing is that 2 balls are drawn and one is red and one is black. In urn 1 we are having 1 black ball and 3 red balls. So 1 ball is drawn from 1 black ball into 3 out of 3 red balls, only 1 is drawn, divided by total there are 6 red balls and only 2 are drawn from it, which is equal to 1 by 5. Similarly, probability of A by E2 would be equal to, there are 2 black and 4 red balls, so it would be 2C1 into 4C1 divided by 6C2, which would be equal to 2 by 9. Similarly, probability of A by E3 would be equal to, there are 3C1 into 2C1 divided by 5C2, which is equal to 1 by 6. Putting these values in a formula will give us, here we will get probability of E2 is 1 by 3 into 2 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 6, which is equal to 20 by 53. I have solved this equation earlier. You need to solve this mathematical calculation to get this answer. Let's move to another example.